Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something a little bit different. It's actually from Influenster. So if you don't know what that is, it's a website and they also have an app, and you can receive free product, but you just have to review it. And the more you do, the more likely you are gonna get a Voxbox. That's what they call it. I have received about 3 Voxboxes before. I know I've received something for Christmas that had like a dog Grinch toy, a dry shampoo. It was full sized. In March I received a Kat Von D, what's it called, cake eye pencil, and then they also gave me a tattoo liner as well, just to have, I guess. And then in June I was supposed to get some dog treats, but they never came in, and so as long as I didn't press that I got the box, then it wouldn't count against me, because if you don't do the reviews, then you won't get any more Vox boxes. So yeah, let me go ahead and show y'all what I got in my box in August. So this is what the box looks like. It's Influencer, just for you. And then I got about 5 products this month. And then in the box, it has this little pamphlet. It tells you what you have to do in the Voxbox to get that badge. And then it also tells you about the products that are inside for you to review. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with these. It's already opened, I've already used it. It's a Peach Slices Hydrate Sheet Mask. I only got one. One is $2.50 and these are available at Target. I already, I believe, posted my review for this. It's pretty much just a mask. The only thing I would say that stands out compared to other ones is that it is drugstore, so it's a lot cheaper than ones that you would get at like Sephora. It did leave my face red after peeling it off, but that's pretty normal for me. It did hydrate, as the purpose of the mask is. I would say it does have a longer period of time that you have to keep it on your face. It's about 20 minutes. Most of the face masks that I have, it's about 10 to 15 minutes. But I will say that it definitely does what it's supposed to do, as you would hope, but it's only $2.50, so I'd rather spend that. And this is also, let's say, like a clean product. They don't have like the parabens, the dyes, the fragrance, and more. They're also cruelty free. Oh yeah, it says right here, it says no artificial fragrance, no alcohol, no parabens, no mineral oil, no dyes or coloring, no formaldehyde, no sulfates, and no animal testing. In this mask specifically, it says luxurious ingredients including thyme, morning calm flower, geranium, rose, citrus, wild mint, and saffron work together to intensively moisturize, refresh, and rejuvenate skin instantly. So once I run out of the face masks that I get in my monthly boxes that I get every month, obviously, if I was to go out and buy a mask, since I've already tried this, I would probably get a few different ones of these, since they won't break the bank. And I only do sheet mask once a week, so I can get about, I can pay about, what, $10 for a month worth of sheet mask. Next item I got in the Influencer, it's actually called the Beauty 101 Voxbox. So I got a full-size Covergirl LashBlast Volume Mascara, and I think I would say this may be one of my favorite mascaras ever, because it doesn't do the clumpiness. It's mainly like a lengthening mascara. I know it says blast volume, but maybe if you build it up a little bit more, but it just doesn't have that clumpiness that a lot of mascaras that I've tried recently, like the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, I'm trying to use it up, but that clumps way too much. So this is full size. It retails for $7, and I'm sure you can get this at Target, Walmart, CVS, wherever. And I'm actually wearing it right now. I don't know if you'll be able to see it at the moment. It is very thin. Like I said, it doesn't give you too much volume. More of lengthening mascara, but I do prefer that. This is what the one looks like right here. The only thing negative I would say about it is that it's kind of hard to get into the inner corner lashes without having it go onto my lid. And yeah, that's a little bit annoying, but compared to the other mascaras that I've tried, and the price is obviously reasonable. It is drugstore. Yeah, I would prefer probably buying this over probably any mascara, any Sephora, Ulta, whatever mascara that I've tried so far. So yeah, I think this is my favorite thing that we got in the box. Next, in the Beauty 101 Voxbox, I got a Eva NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. I am a frequent user of dry shampoos, so I always like to get these in the boxes. I haven't really found a dry shampoo yet that makes my hair feel super, super clean. I can tell it does kind of get rid of the oils a little bit, but not where I feel like I just washed my hair. So this obviously isn't a full size. The full size is $12. This is just 1 ounce. And yeah, I probably won't be buying this in full size just because, I don't know, I used it earlier today. Probably haven't shampooed my hair in about 2 days. Like, it looks okay. It looks still a little bit greasy, but not horrible. But yeah, not my favorite. Don't really have a current favorite dry shampoo. I'm still working on finding the one that I like the most. So yeah. Next up is a Crest Gum and Sensitivity All Day Protection Toothpaste. This is not full size. The full size, I believe, is $7. So it says get fast tooth sensitivity relief and clinically proven healthier gums with Crest Gum and Sensitivity Toothpaste. I've only been using it for like about a week or two, so I don't think it's enough time to really tell if it does anything. What I can say about it is that I like the texture of the toothpaste. It's very soft, so it doesn't feel like there's like a big clump of toothpaste that you're trying to break down with your toothbrush. But since it is like a soft formulation, I would probably recommend this for people who maybe have diabetes or always have like maybe gum or tooth issues. So for diabetes, people who have diabetes, they don't want to get any lacerations, in their mouth, on their feet, wherever, because that could possibly cause an infection. So maybe this one could be a good one to use with like a soft bristled brush. Also, I think I actually would buy this in a full size just because of the soft texture that it has. So the last thing I got in the Beauty 101 Voxbox is a little tiny sample size of the Clinique Acne Solutions Clinical Clearing Gel. Full size is 15 milliliters and it's $18. They only gave me, I don't believe, yeah, it doesn't say how much is in here, but honestly it's not very much. Nor do I think you honestly really need much to use it. It's a very like thin gel texture, so a little bit can go a long way. And it says results as good as a leading topical prescription in clearing acne. So I'm guessing they're trying to compare it to like Accutane. Our daily treatment gel starts clearing blemishes upon application and helps prevent new ones. Honestly, I think it did do something. I've only been using it maybe for about a week, and I have some bumps like on my forehead that I've had throughout the summer, and I feel like they are diminishing a little bit. And recently I also have a little bit of breakouts down here. They're still kind of there. I don't think it's really done much for that because I think it fading now is just kind of that part in the healing process, the pimple process, whatever you want to call it. But I do only use it on those areas that I do have pimples or acne. So lately that's just been around the chin area, which is where I get most of my breakouts, and then a little bit on the forehead, but that is the only place that I use this. And I think I would consider buying this in the full size just to give it a fair try and see if it actually does anything. And if it actually does something, it would probably end up being like a staple in my skincare routine because pimples are obviously so frustrating and annoying. They're like little planets on your face that hurt. But yeah, I think I will definitely maybe buy this in a full size eventually. So that is all that I got in the Beauty 101 Voxbox. I am decently happy. I have gotten more bigger size products in the Voxbox, but this really is just a sample, obviously, just like most monthly subscriptions, even though this isn't a monthly subscription. It's just something for review. My favorite thing is the Covergirl mascara, the Crest toothpaste, which I think I will buy next time. Oh, and obviously the Clinique acne solution thing. If you wanted to sign up for Influenster, I think I might have like a referral code that I can use. I'm not sure, but if I do, I'll link it down in the description. And also something that I saw on the pamphlet is that there's a coupon code for Clinique.com. It's for 20% off your purchase until September 16th. So you use CL Clear 20. I'll also put that in the description down at the bottom just in case you want to use it. Get 20% off the acne solutions or any other product. But yeah, I highly recommend this app. It's legitly an app. I can't talk today. It's legitly an app that you can receive products, but is that little catch of where you do have to review. You have to review all of it and do what they want you to do in order to get future Voxboxes. What I've noticed is that I get a Voxbox at least every 3 months, and then about a week or two later is when they send me like the box. So yeah, a week or two later after I get that email saying that I qualify for the Voxbox. Alright, yeah, so that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to sign up for the Influenster app. I highly recommend it. They don't only do beauty products. They do dish stuff and wine and all just different things. I've only really gotten the beauty related and dog related stuff, but there's definitely more for you to try. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, I would surely appreciate it, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.